We got some Enzo tail lights with LEDs replacing the halogens. They're a lot brighter, but these LEDs are the ones that come with the Amazon LED packs. They're bright. Kind of wish they were a little bit brighter. Putting my hand here so you can kind of see the reflection. I'm gonna hit the lights in a second. Let's go over on to this side. Whoa, this is a lot brighter. These right here, this one right here is the Lasfit. They're a little bit hard to get on, but once you get them on, they're really worth it. So I'm gonna hit the lights. So that's the back side of the Lasfit. See how bright that is? Okay. And then over on this side, oh, here we go. On this side, we got the Amazon ones. So there's a huge difference in how bright they are. So over there versus over here. So I highly recommend the Lasfits.